Welcome again, عنيزة private school students. Hello my students. With you Miss مروة بكري. أهلا بطالباتي طالبات مدارس عنيزة الأهلية طالبات grade 6. Today I'll make revision on unit 1. Now my students with conversation time. Okay, please my students pay attention and listen carefully to this conversation.
Museum. How can I help you? Hi. What are your hours? We're open from 9 to 7. Are you open on Fridays? Yes, we're open daily. How much does it cost to get in? It's £2 for Egyptians and £20 for foreigners. Children under 5 are free. Does that include the mummy rooms? No, it doesn't. Thanks for your help. You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Okay, my students. Now, with word time, please pay attention and listen carefully. Look at this picture, my students. Okay, this is pavement. Pavement. Okay, what's this? The Egyptian Museum. The Egyptian Museum. Look also at this picture. Barber's shop. Barber's shop. Okay. Bridge. Bridge. Post office. Post office. Theater. Theater. Bank. Bank. Hotel. Hotel. Train station. Okay, look at this train. Train station. Where are they? Where are they? Okay, they are in the library. Library. Okay. Now my students with practice time. Okay. Now we will know the difference between there is and there are. Okay. Now we know the difference between there is and there are. There is, okay, we use after it only one thing. After there is, we use only one thing. This means that after there is, we use singular noun. Okay? After there is, we use a singular noun. Like a boy, a book, an apple, a car, a woman. Okay? There is a boy. There is a book. There is an apple. There is a car. There is a woman. Okay? But there are here. We use it for two or more things. Two things or more things. This means that after there are we use plural noun. After there are أو بعد there are we use plural noun. بنستخدم plural noun اسم جمع. Okay. For example, 2 oranges, 3 people, 5 glasses, okay, 6 women, 4 girls. Okay, there are 3 people. There are 5 glasses. Okay, this means that again, after there is, we must use singular noun. بعد there is, okay, we must use singular noun. And after there are, we must use plural noun. اسم جمع. Look here, my students. How can we make positive sentence? Okay, with there is and there are. Look at this example. There is a hotel near the school. There is a hotel near the school. After there is here, look at this noun. Look at this A. A here means this noun is singular noun. Singular noun means اسم مفرد. This means that after there is, we use a singular noun. بعد there is, we use singular noun. استخدمنا اسم مفرد يا حبايبي هنا. There is a hotel near the school. There is a hotel near the school. There are 2 schools. There are 2 schools. Look here at schools. We add s here to the noun school. This means that this noun is a plural noun. So we use it after there are, because after there are we use plural noun. There are 2 schools across from the library. Again, there are 2 schools across from the library. Now, learn together how to make negative sentence, okay? With there's and there are. To make negative sentence, only add not after is or are. Only add not or in apostrophe T. There isn't. There isn't. There isn't a hotel in front of the barber's shop, okay? There isn't a hotel in front of the barber's shop. Here also, after there isn't, we use a hotel. A hotel here also is a singular noun, okay? Also isn't here. After isn't here, we use a singular noun, اسم مفرد. Take care here, my students. Isn't equal is not, okay? Isn't here equal is not. And aren't also equal are not. Aren't equal are not. There aren't 2 schools beside the theater, okay? There aren't 2 schools beside the theater. Here also after aren't we use schools. Schools here is a plural noun, okay? After there is and there are in the positive sentence we use after there is singular noun and after there are plural noun. And also in negative sentence, after there isn't we use singular noun, and after there aren't, okay, we use plural noun. How to make, my students here, how to make yes no questions with is there, okay? Here we will begin with auxiliary verb is and are to make yes and no question. We say before that this question we called it yes and no question because the answer of this question is beginning with yes and no. Okay, my students? So here we will begin this question with auxiliary verb is and are. Look here. Is there a hotel above the post office? Take care here, my students. Also, we say a hotel, okay? This means that also after is there, we use singular noun, اسم مفرد, okay? Is there a hotel above the post office? Are there 2 schools behind the bank? I am asking you, are there 2 schools behind the bank? Here also we use schools as a plural noun after are there. Okay, the answer will be yes, there is. Okay, or no, there isn't, or yes, there are, or no, there aren't. Again, yes, there is, okay, or no, there isn't. If you're asking with, is there a hotel beside the bank? For example, is there a hotel beside the bank? You can answer, yes, there is, or no, there isn't. Okay, but if I'm asking you, are there 2 schools across from the hotel? Okay, are there 2 schools across from the hotel? You can answer, yes, there are, yes, there are, okay, or no, there aren't. No, there aren't, okay? Now here, my students, we will use there was and there were. What's the difference between there is and there are, okay, and there was and there were? We use there is and there are in present, but there was and there were, we use them to make sentence in the past. Again, we use there was and there were to make sentence in the past. Look here, my students. There was a bank behind the train station. There was here means كان يوجد, okay? A bank behind the train station. Here also, my students, take care that after was, we use a singular noun. Okay? After was here, we use a singular noun. There was a bank behind the train station. Look at there were. There were also means كان يوجد, okay? But after there were, we must use plural noun. Okay? We must use after there were a plural noun. There were 2 hotels. Look here, my students. To the noun hotels, we add s to the noun hotel. Okay? We add s to it. This means that this noun is a plural noun. Okay? There were 2 hotels near the theater. كان يوجد, okay? 2 hotels near the theater. To make negative sentence with there was and there were, okay? Also, my students, only add not to was and were to make negative sentence. Look here. Only add not or n apostrophe t to was or to were to change them from present, okay, from positive to negative. Okay, to change them from positive to negative. It's very easy. Okay, only add not or n apostrophe t after was or weren't. Look here, my students. Okay, wasn't equal was not. Again, wasn't equal was not. Weren't equal were not. Okay, there wasn't a bank beside the school. There wasn't a bank besides the school. Okay, take care here also, my students. After wasn't also we use a singular noun. Excellent. Okay, a bank here is a singular noun. Also after there weren't, we use a plural noun. There weren't 2 hotels. There weren't 2 hotels near the bridge. Also here, my students, look here at this noun. Excellent, excellent. We add S here to this noun. Okay, so here we add S here because here we use there weren't, and after there weren't, we say before that we must use plural noun. Okay, there weren't 2 hotels near the bridge. Now, my students, we'll know how to make yes and no question, okay, with there was and there were. Okay, in this question, okay, we will begin with there. No, okay, to make question, we will begin with was and were. Again, to make any sentence, okay, with there was and there were, we can begin the sentence with there. But here, I make yes and no question, so we can't begin this question with there. Okay, we begin it with was and were. Was there a bank in front of the pavement? Again, was there a bank in front of the pavement? Here also, my students, look at this noun. Guess with me. This is excellent. This is a singular noun. Singular noun. This noun begins with a here. This is a singular noun. This means that also in the question with was, we must use singular noun. Was there a bank in front of the pavement? هل كان يوجد bank in front of the pavement أمام هذا الرصيف? Okay. Were there 2 hotels across from the barber's shop? Look here, my students. We use noun hotels, excellent, as a plural noun, okay, because here we use were there, okay, were there 2 hotels across from the barber shop. هل كان يوجد 2 hotels across from the barber shop? The answer will be, okay, yes, there was, or no, there wasn't. Also, yes, there were, or no, there weren't. For example, my students, okay, I give you an example. Was there a school beside the bank? Were there a school beside? Was there, okay, was there a school beside the bank? Yes, there was. Yes, there was. Or no, there wasn't. Take care here, my students. If we use no, we must add here in apostrophe T to was. Okay? No, there wasn't. Okay? Listen to the second example again. Were there 2 schools? Okay? Beside the bank, there were, were there 2 schools beside the bank? Were there 2 schools beside the bank? Okay, the answer will be yes, there were. Yes, there were. Or no, there weren't. Weren't here also we add in apostrophe T because here we use no. Yes, there were, or no, there weren't. No, there weren't. Okay. Now, my students, we finished our lesson. Okay. I hope you understand this lesson. Thanks for watching and goodbye.